This week we're going to be focusing on big tech name Oracle, one of the former four horsemen. Back in the day, Oracle, Microsoft, Intel, and Cisco were the big four horsemen. Obviously, those names have changed today, but Oracle's still a presence and is doing some great work, especially in the database and AI area. So let's take a look at the chart and see what we can figure out here. So Oracle had a really super nice run back in the spring and the summertime up to near all-time highs. And we can see here the last earnings report which came out in September, the stock just got drilled from a mid 120s all the way down to close to 102, 105, just in a couple of sessions on some pretty heavy turnover. You can see the volume over here. The stock kind of meandered sideways to lower for about 2 months, and looks like it made a bottom about $100 to $101 towards the end of October. And since then, it's been making a nice series of higher highs and higher lows. We call that the definition of an uptrend. You see the dots down under here, which is the parabolic SAR. It's called the parabolic stop and reverse, and that is has turned bullish from the beginning of November. We're above all the relevant moving averages now. We just went above the 200-day moving average today, and peaked above it yesterday, but are significantly higher than that today. 100-day moving average, the 20-day moving average, which is starting to move upwards. As far as the indicators are concerned, rate of change, which is on the third pane over here, somewhat started to roll over here. It is only rolling over because the stock is slowing down from the torrential run that it's been on since the end of October. So the stock is really moving, charging higher, and you can see the inflection in the rate of change from the end of October all the way up to the middle of the month here right now. So it is rolling over a little bit right now, and I'm not too worried about this rate of change rolling over. I'm much more concerned with the fact that Chaikin money flow is starting to show its strength here. It's almost up to above the zero line, and once it gets above the zero line, it'll be on a buy signal. And then also the other momentum indicator that we like to use is the MACD, and that went cross positive at the beginning of November, and it's been making new highs here as well. I do like Oracle here. They do have earnings coming out in the middle towards the end of December, and I think this time around, it may be a different story, but the fact of the matter is that they blew it on earnings last time around, and that should definitely be a warning flag. We do see the candles have turned to light blue, which is strongly bullish. It's moved from pink to amber to teal all the way to light blue, which means it's moved from bearish to neutral to modestly bullish for a couple of days, and then to blue. And we can see what happened the last time it went from teal to blue. The stock had a nice run right up into earnings, about 8 to 9% over about a period of 7 to 8 days. So that was a nice run here. So it might be a good stock to get into to run up toward those old highs, about 124 to 125. That would be about a good 7 to 8% run from current prices, current levels. I do like Oracle here. I have some calls in the service, in the explosive options service. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about that, go to explosiveoptions.net. We did post a nice winner on Oracle earlier in the year, and we're hoping to post another one as well too. So that's Oracle. ORCL is the symbol. Thanks very much, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.